Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a purchase order in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to plus in your name and click purchase order. And when you're going to be here, you just want to simply add here a contact. Or you can add like a new one if you want to. Now when you got it, you get a delivery date here, reference, amounts are, you can no text, you can also change the theme here. To change the theme, you need to go to, let's go business, invoices, click on whatever invoice that you got, 3 dots on right top corner, and then just like click invoice settings. And you can edit invoices here, invoice templates, and new purchase order templates. Then you just add here the items. Again, you can create a new one. And we got attention here, delivery address, delivery instructions. Then you just click approve. And voila. This is how you do it. And you can have like mark as a build. And this is pretty much it. So this is how you can actually create a purchase order in Xero. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.